In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a PDF in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know exactly which settings to check so your document comes out the way you expect without trial and error. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. If Revu is already your default PDF app, double-clicking the file will do it. Otherwise, launch Revu and open your file from the File menu. Once the document is up, we'll bring up the print dialog. You can click File, then Print, or simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. That shortcut is quick and it works across most Windows applications. In the print window, first choose your printer. If you see a virtual printer like Bluebeam PDF selected, switch it to your physical printer so the job actually goes to paper. Take a moment to confirm you're sending it to the device you intend to use, especially in shared office environments where multiple printers are listed. Next, decide which pages to print. You can print the entire document, just the current page you're viewing, or a custom range. For a range, enter something like 1 through 3. Or mix ranges and single pages such as 1 to 3, 5, 8, 10. This is handy if you only need certain sheets from a longer set. Double check the preview area if available to make sure the selection looks right. Now set your paper size and orientation. Match the paper size to what's loaded in your printer tray to avoid scaling surprises. Choose portrait for taller pages and landscape for wider pages. If your PDF page is landscape but you leave the setting on portrait, the output may rotate or shrink, so aligning these prevents unnecessary scaling. With size and orientation set, adjust the scale. If your goal is to fill the paper, enable Fit to Page to automatically scale the content to the selected paper size. If exact measurements matter, common with drawings and markups, use actual size or a specific scale percentage so the printed output matches the original dimensions. If the content looks clipped in the preview, try Fit to Page or reduce the scale slightly until everything fits comfortably. When everything looks correct, click Print to start the job. Give your printer a moment to process, especially for large or graphic-heavy PDFs. If the output doesn't appear, glance at your printer's queue or display to ensure it's online and using the right paper. That's it. Open your PDF, use the print command, pick the right printer, choose your pages, set paper and orientation, adjust the scale and print. Thanks for watching and happy printing with Bluebeam Revu.